residents chinse mochonsi na boigo other Kenyans na boigo nebatari Kenya oka no ebanisco yense what new will this women leadership bring specifically you also your opportunity yoko maybe kora as your dreams are nsemo ya bonchari what will you bring new na the strategy kimogo chikoreta kwa ne kyobora yoboga bwa basubati mbo chikorenta change
equality to everyone across the constituency. Which the women empowerment, youth empowerment, the vulnerables, but community, but considered in my leadership. Umwana bw'umutaka, umwana bw'omonda in bonchari wekanyora masomo. Onyiga kurwa se nyumba eri okoranga tari familia iteri poinyara gekogera education is a equalizer ya kiromondo. So basically I have passion for education. Like origere ribonchari our infrastructures chia school cheto as abana bako in the school, the ECD classes and all that, we are going to ensure as someone woman chali akogenda school as ago chikorose lyobugima bwae bwabusi oika abe asagaya omwana buna nateba na inde mirurire whether omwana no yubo mutaka kuso yubo monda oika banyore equal chances chia babwene te konyora from the office of the member of parliament. And originally the health sector, of course it's a devolved function, lakini rende unomora iyo bonchali chinagitali cha bonchali njikoba nganji kwatia maliogo ande tubwate omorai we county oliga igonda ndaba ndafili abanchali so ekero bunanje ngwetebera buna oyo ligerete ko bomuchumbo obonchali gose ko ba elected ebintombire binge torarente so that there is equality, there is transparency in our leadership. Yes.
Yeah. Now, as a you only like fellow women, do you empower each other? And you as a director, how have you used your position to empower other women out there?
Basically, last year, na bwate function ya cancer. Ekero ebinto buneki na bwate that function which ran in 2 wards, that is in Bogiakumu and Bomorenda. We educated our women bakanyara ko manyanga kibawe bagwetanga ni symptoms kiba koligere kuru asanto bwate many programs cha women empowerment, youths, our girls buna bakwirinda buna bagochora careers chabo. Those are initiatives that tukuchigokora this 2025 so that at the end of the day almost wati obonchali na bwate that information ebugwenete komukonya obugima bwae we familia yae na onde bwensi around them.